Okay, students, so here's a quick review if you need some help on these quiz problems. But let's talk about lines first. So we'll use this as an example. Here's line PQ. And notice these arrows mean that the line actually extends forever. Alright? And a line contains infinitely many points. Alright? So line PQ over here, same as PK. Actually, no, excuse me, PM, because we use this letter. We use capital letters for points. It's the same as PM or even QM. You just need 2 points to define a line. All right. So lines contain infinitely many points, go on for infinity in both directions. All right. Then, fun fact, we can just do a whole bunch of crazy stuff, but let's do it like this. So this line right here, we define the whole line by a lowercase, so that's line K right there. Now let's talk about line segments really fast. Like this right here, a line segment has a beginning and an end. Alright, so line segments begin, end, and order doesn't matter. We could call this PM and P, it's the same thing. Alright. And then let's talk about the last thing, rays. So this right here, a ray begins but never ends. Okay, so MP is a ray. You always start at the end. The first letter is always the beginning point, and then P, it goes through P forever, so that's why it's the last point. All right, and then we'll talk more about rays. So looking in this direction, we also have ray MQ, and these are actually opposite rays. All right, why are they opposite rays? Same beginning, go opposite directions. So basically opposite rays form just an entire line. All right, they have to have the same beginning, they have to go opposite directions. All right, a counter example of this, so here's a little side note over here, not opposite rays, that would be MP and PQ. All right, not opposite, they don't, not same start point. All right, one starts at M, one starts at Q. Yes, they go different directions, they go opposite directions, quote unquote, but they're not opposite rays. And the intersections, when lines intersect each other, line segments, rays, even when a line intersects a plane, so oversimplified, lines intersect, form a point. An example of that would be, let's say, plane B, which is this plane kind of going in this direction right here. This is plane B, and then line PQ. Notice how this line goes through that plane right at point M, intersect at point M. All right, that's it. This is some review stuff that should help you for questions 1 through 3.